Canadian psychologist Donald Olding Hebb was a pioneering psychologist whose work fundamentally reshaped our understanding of how the brain learns, remembers, and adapts. Often described as the bridge between psychology and neuroscience, Hebb played a crucial role in moving the study of behavior away from purely observable actions toward the biological mechanisms underlying cognition. Hebb is best known for developing the theory of synaptic plasticity, commonly summarized by the phrase, "neurons that fire together, wire together." According to Hebb, learning occurs when repeated simultaneous activation of two neurons strengthens the synaptic connection between them. Over time, these strengthened connections form stable neural networks that support memory, perception, and skilled behavior. This idea was revolutionary because it provided a clear biological explanation for learning, linking mental processes directly to changes in brain structure and function. Hebb proposed that experiences, especially repeated or meaningful ones, physically alter the brain. Sensory input, practice, and environmental stimulation all contribute to changes in neural connectivity. This explained why learning improves with repetition and why early experiences can have long-lasting effects on cognitive development. Hebb's theory also helped explain how memories are stored and retrieved, suggesting that memory is distributed across networks of neurons rather than localized in a single area of the brain. Another major contribution of Hebb's work was the concept of cell assemblies. He suggested that groups of neurons could become linked together through repeated activation, forming assemblies that represent ideas, objects, or actions. When part of an assembly is activated, the entire network can become active, allowing for recognition, recall, and complex thought. Hebb's ideas extended beyond memory and learning to include perception, attention, and development. He argued that early sensory deprivation could impair cognitive development, while enriched environments could enhance learning. These insights influenced educational psychology, rehabilitation, and developmental neuroscience. His work also helped explain how humans and animals acquire complex skills, such as playing a musical instrument, speaking a language, or driving, through repeated practice that strengthens neural pathways. Hebb's influence is especially notable because many of his ideas were later confirmed by advances in neuroscience. Modern research on long-term potentiation, brain imaging, and synaptic change has provided strong empirical support for Hebbian learning principles. Today, Hebb's theory remains central to understanding brain plasticity, recovery after injury, and learning across the lifespan. Hebb's most influential book, The Organization of Behavior, published in 1949, systematically presented his theory of neural organization, integrating psychology, biology, and neuroscience into a unified framework that continues to shape research in cognitive science. A 2002 study conducted by the American Psychological Association ranked Donald Hebb as the 19th most eminent psychologist of the 20th century based on journal citations, introductions in textbooks, and surveys. Donald Olding Hebb was born in 1904 in Chester, Nova Scotia, Canada, and passed away in 1985 in Nova Scotia at the age of 81.